Hi guys, welcome back. So we're out here again on the Madawaska River and we just had a fresh snowfall, so it's really beautiful. I'll try to get a couple shots for you guys. And today I'm just making up some tea and we're gonna get ready to make some French toast hot dogs. Super easy meal. This one we've actually tried before. Everything Guy brought it to the table, so he said he wanted to try it, so I did them at home before. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that. All right, I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you. So we're gonna get our sausages into a pan, and this are Johnsonville sausages. You guys can use whatever sausages you guys like, but these are the kind that we like, and I find that the maple flavored ones tend to add a little bit extra to it. All right. So for the sausages, you're gonna wanna cook them for about 12-15 minutes until they're brown. What I like to do is I like to cover them and add a little bit of water every now and then. It kind of helps speed up the process if need be. But yeah, they're looking good. While the sausages are cooking, we're gonna get our batter ready. So you guys can use whatever kind of pancake batter that you want. That's what I recommend. That's what I use. I think the original recipe that I saw this, the original recipe, I believe, calls for flour instead of the pancake batter. But this is what I like to use. You can use whatever kind you want. So we're just gonna have about a cup of this. And you can measure it to a T if you'd like. I'm just going to measure from the heart here. So, and you're going to need about a cup of water as well. And you're just going to whisk it in. You want like a bitter, you want like a thicker consistency, if you will. It's not too bad. So you want it to kind of look like that. You can go a little thicker if you want. So I also like to add some maple syrup. Again, you can use whatever kind you like. This is just a travel size. It makes things a little bit easier. Just a little bit of that into your batter. I also like to add a little bit of vanilla. Again, you can use whatever kind you like. Just a little splooch of it. And some cinnamon. You definitely need some cinnamon. We're just going to mix all that together. Look at those. They are just about ready. Almost time to assemble. So I got 2 eggs here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna make up some scrambled eggs. I don't know about you guys, but I do like milk. Some people prefer not. You don't have to use it, but I'm going to definitely add some milk. And yes, I have it in a Gatorade bottle. So in a greased up pan, we're just going to add our scrambled eggs. Alrighty, so now we're going to assemble all of this. So basically, what you want to do is I have a hot dog bun. I find the pre-sliced bread-like ones work best, but this is what we have on us. So what you want to do is you want to take your egg mixture, throw some in there. Tuck that in there nice and good. And then you want to take two breakfast sausages and put them in there if you can. I overfilled this, so you're going to want to tuck it in quite a bit. Right? And so once you've done that, you want to take it and you want to roll it in your pancake batter. You want to get it completely covered. And now we're going to take this and we're going to put it in the pan. So in your greased pan now, you're just going to drop them in. Get all that excess off if you can. Now you're going to want to let those cook for a couple minutes on each side, like with a quarter turn. And you want to make sure that they're nice and crisp. You even want to tip them up like this, and you definitely want to get the ends. You want to soak up all that pancake mixture. But they're looking good. We're almost done. So now that they're all done, they are nice and crisp for sure. They're starting to cool off because we're outside and it's getting cold. So I just want you to have a look at that. They are really, really looking good. You can kind of hear the crisp, right? So to top it all off, I know we put maple syrup in the batter, but it calls for more. So what you want to do, you're just going to throw a little bit on there. Just throw some on top and let's see how that is. Yeah, this is so good. So what I like to do, which I didn't mention before, is I usually have leftover sausages. So I tend to make these with the leftover breakfast sausages. But just the flavor is so good. You guys definitely got to try this. The egg, the sausage, the French toast bun. It's really, really good. All right, guys, I'm going to finish this up. I really hope you try these, and I'll see you in the next one.